Good morning, students. Myself, Dhruv Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, GIMS Engineering Management Technical Campus, Greater Noida. Today, I am going to present the fifth lecture of Computer Integrated Manufacturing. And this presentation will include the following topics. These topics are CNC EDM, ball screw bearing, and centralized fabrication system. Okay, so these three topics are very important from interview point of view because the CNC EDM, ball screw bearing, and the centralized lubrication system. These are actually the modification of what methods we adopted earlier when conventional adapting with the conventional machining system, right? Now I'm going to discuss CNC EDM machine. What is CNC EDM machine? EDM is what? Electrical discharge machining. So electrical discharge machining process is non-conventional and non-contact machining operation which is used in industry for high precision product, right? So the EDM is used for machining hard and the brittle conductive material. So what is mandatory is conductive material. It must be conductive material. In case of the non-conductive material, EDM is not applicable. So the EDM is known as machining hard and the brittle conductive material since it can melt any electrically conductive material regardless of its hardness, right? So the workpiece machined by EDM depends on the thermal conductivity, electrical resistivity, and the melting point of the materials. So these are the three important parameters. Okay, so the tool and the workpiece are adapted both emerge in the dielectric medium, and dielectric medium I mean to say this may be the kerosene, this may be the deionized waters or any other suitable fluid like the vegetable oils. Okay, so a lot of research is going on in this field. Okay, so this is the hot cake of the market for the research. Okay, so day by day we are getting a lot of modification in that, right? So come to the next. Before going to discuss what is the working principle and all, we must have to know its characteristics. So we are going to discuss the characteristics of EDM. So you must keep in the mind the process can be used to machine any work material if it is electrically conductive. Only it is applicable to the electrically conductive materials. Okay. Secondly, material removal depends mainly on the thermal property of the work material rather than its strength, rather than its hardness. Okay, and in EDM there is a physical tool and geometry of the tool is positive impression of the whole. Okay, or geometric features machine, right? So the tool has to be the electrically conductive as well. So this is mandatory. The work and the tool both must be the electrically conductive. Okay. So the tool wear will also take place. So the tool wear once again depends on the thermal property of the tool material, right? So the local temperature rises rather high. So still due to the very small pulse on time, there is not enough time for the heat to diffuse, and thus almost no increase in bulk temperature takes place, right? So the heat affected zone, you are familiar to this term in manufacturing science in BTech third year. Okay, so the heat affected zone is limited to 2 to 4 micron of the spark catered, right? So however, rapid heating and the rapid cooling and the local high temperature leads to the surface hardening, and sometimes it is desirable in some application and in some other application it is undesirable. Okay, though there is a possibility of taper cut and overcut in EDM, they can be controlled and compensated. Right? So now I'm going to discuss this. Okay, so you will see here. This is the schematic representation of the first diagram is representing the working principle of the EDM. So you will see in this diagram these are the plot of the graph. These are the plot of the graphs that we are seeing. Okay, these are the plot of the graphs we are looking for. Okay, so this you must see. This is what? That's nothing but this is a voltage and this is a current. The behavior, they are showing the characteristics of and behavior of voltage and the current. Okay, and then this is the setup. So this is the job. This is the workpiece and this is the tool. So tool is connected to the negative terminal, and workpiece is connected to the positive terminal of a battery. Okay, and you will see or a generator, and you will see there is a gap between the tool and the workpiece. Okay, and the whole setup is emerged into the whole setup is emerged into the dielectric medium. Okay, so see the schematic diagram of the ADM. You will see this is the tool holder which can hold the tool electrodes. Okay, and this is the workpiece which both are emerged into the dielectric fluids. Okay, and then the whole setup is connected with the DC power supply. Okay, so in which the positive part is joined to the positive signal is joined to the workpiece, and the negative sign is joined to the tools. This is negative and this is positive. Okay, so so we must have to know, we must have to keep in the mind, in EDM. In EDM machines, you just keep in the mind, in EDM machine. Okay, EDM electrical discharge machining. Okay, so in conventional days we are doing the same thing. In conventional days we are doing the same thing by the conventional machines, but in order to enhance the quality, we have adapted EDM. Okay, we have adapted EDM. So see, this is what we call it, the electro discharge machining. It's an electrothermal non-traditional machining process. Okay, where the electrical energy is used to generate electrical spark, and the material removal mainly occur due to the thermal energy of the spark. Right. So EDM is mainly used to machine difficult to machine materials like superalloys, which can withstand at the high temperature and the pressure condition. Okay, so high superalloys and the alloys. Okay, so EDM can be used to machine difficult geometries in a small batches or even on the job shop basis. Okay, so the work material to be machined by EDM has to be the electrically conductive, whether it is a tool or whether it is a workpiece. Okay, so you will see this diagram. I already discussed. This is shown the variations of the voltage and the current. Okay, so if you see the diagram, this is the working principle actually of the EDM process. So in EDM, the potential difference is applied between the tool and the workpiece, right? So both the tool and the work material are to be conductor of electricity, right? So the tool and the work material are emerged into the dielectric medium. I already told you. Okay, so generally kerosene or the deionized water is used as a dielectric medium. So the gap is maintained between the tool and the workpiece, that depending upon the applied potential difference and the gap between the tool and the workpiece, an electric field would be established. Okay, so generally the tool is connected to the negative terminal of the generator and the workpiece is connected to the positive terminal. So as the electric field is established between the tool and the job and tool and the work, the free electrons on the tool are subjected to electrostatic force. Okay, so if work function or function, or you can say the bounding energy of the electron is less, electron would be emitted from tool. Electron would be emitted from the tool, right? Okay, so it is assumed to be connected to the negative terminal. That's what the tool is connected to the negative terminal. So such emission of electron is called cold emission. So cold emitted electron are what? Cold emitted electrons are then accelerated towards the job, towards the work, and though the dielectric medium. Okay, so as they gain the velocity and the energy and start moving towards the work, so there would be the collision between the electrons and the dielectric molecules, and such collision may result in the ionization of dielectric molecule. Okay, so depending upon the work function or the, you can say, the ionization energy of the dielectric medium or molecule and the energy of the electron. Okay, so thus as the electron gets accelerated, more positive ion and electron would get generated due to collision. Gets generated due to the collision. Okay, so this is actually a cyclic process which would increase the concentration of electrons and the ions in the dielectric medium between the tools and the work at the spark gap. So the concentration would be so high that the matter existing in the channel could be characterized as the plasma, and the electrical resistance of such plasma channel would be very less. So thus all of sudden a large number of electrons will flow from tool to the job and ions from job to the tool. So this is called the avalanche motion of electron. Avalanche motion of electrons. So such movement of electrons and the ions can be visually seen in the form of the spark. So thus the electrical energy is dissipated as the thermal energy of the spark. So you know the high speed electron then impinged on the job and ions on the tools. So the kinetic energy of the electron and the ions on impact with the surface of the job and tool respectively, it would be converted into the thermal energy, and such intense localized thermal energy or heat flux leads to the extreme instantaneous confirmed rise in temperature, and which would be in the excess of 10,000 degrees centigrade temperature. Okay, so such a localized extreme rise in temperature leads to the material removal, and that material removal occurs due to instant vaporization of the material as well as due to the melting. So the molten metal is not removed completely, it is partially only removed. Okay, it is only partially removed. Now we are going to discuss about the types of electro discharge machine. Okay, types of EDM. Okay, so this is the first type is wire EDM. Second is micro EDM. Third is EDM of non-conducting materials, and fourth is very important, that is dry EDM. So wire EDM, you know the wire WEDM, wire electrical discharge machining was introduced because it has the ability to cut intricate shape and extremely tapered geometry with high performance, especially in the precision, efficiency and the stability. Okay, so the operation, WEDM operations has very similar material removal mechanism as it was in the normal EDM process, except WEDM. What is differences? Because WEDM uses wire winding of the wire as an electrode. Okay, got it? So the most important control parameter for this process are discharge current, discharge capacitance, pulse duration, pulse frequency, wire speed, wire tension, voltage, dielectric flushing condition. Okay, so now I am going to discuss with the micro EDM. Okay, so EDM operation has already been developed in micro scales industries. Okay, so as dedicated micro tools can machine workpiece surface without any deviation or the breakage. So the micro EDM follow the similar principle as it was in the conventional EDM machine, as it was in the conventional machine. Okay, as well it was in the conventional machine, right?